You asked, can solar benefit my investment property?
I'm sure every property owner can agree that making money back on your own property or making a higher profit on investment property is one of the goals. A solar system really can help you in this mission. So solar systems can increase your own home's value, and also it allows your solar to get the feed-in tariff, which means that you get money back from the solar system. And also you can get the rebate for your home or for an investment property. Now I'm going to explain today some specific benefits for actually considering solar also for your rental property. Now, when selling a property, most owners scramble to clean the house, make all the small adjustments, fixing it all up to try and sell it, to squeeze that last dollar out of the house. But instead, why don't you add a solar system and have a substantial improvement on your house, and that particular improvement will actually add the extra value. Now in Australia, we already got 3 million homes that got solar, so those people must have done it for a reason, and the reason is very simply, it reduces my electricity bill and it increases the value of my house. A recent survey revealed 2/3 of people looking for a property actually prefer one that has solar and other renewable aspects to one that does none of it. Momentum Energy did a survey of real estate agents, and that came to the conclusion that every kilowatt of a solar system will increase the value of a house by about $6,000 in Australia. So if you've got a 6 kilowatt solar system, would increase the value of the house by maybe over $30,000. Now that system itself is cost quite a bit less than that. This amount would even increase further if you down the track would actually add a battery. Then you also receive the solar feed-in tariff as an income for the electricity that you export. The solar feed-in tariffs are payments made by your electricity retailer for the excess electricity generated by your system and then exported. If you have an investment property that you rent out, usually your tenants actually have the electricity bill in their name. So the tenant therefore would get the benefit of the solar as well as the feed-in tariff. However, think about it. If you make your home much more appealing because it's got solar, because the tenant has a lot of electricity bill, that means you got a happy tenant. Anyone who has an investment property knows that when tenants move out, that's when one needs to invest back into the premises. You got to paint, you got to fix little things, you might have to modernize. That's where the big bucks go into an investment property. So it's in your own interest to have long-term tenants who maybe stay 3, 5 or 10 years. That way that transition cost isn't coming out of your pocket. Why not buy a quality solar system, create a happy tenant, make the tenant stay for a long time, and reduce your need to actually pay for ongoing changeover maintenance in the house. Now, one last piece of advice. Do not be tempted to buy a cheap solar system, because you might think, oh, it's not an investment property, No. No, God! Go for a quality system. A cheap system will give 3, 4, 5 years return. Then you chuck it out. It's done nothing environmentally. While a quality system will give you 15, 20, 25 years of return. It is financially a much, much better proposal than cheap solar. So, go local, go solar, increase the value of your house, and make your tenant happy.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.